All right, everybody. The last box I opened kind of hurt my feelings. I don't think I've ever seen a Magic or a Final Fantasy box get opened with no surge foils. Correction, there was one surge foil. It was an uncommon. I don't even remember what it was. So we're gonna get some revenge. We're gonna go all out and try to get surge foils. Anything at this point would be amazing. We got Arden, Usurper, Laboratory Maniac, Ultima, Origin of Oblivion. These boxes are crazy expensive. Don't open them. Hey, there we go. Finally. Well, finally as in first one of the box. We got Clive, market price $180. Pretty good, pretty good. We got Summon Good King, Cypher. Hey, there's a Tifa. Memories Returning. Okay, well, I'm already feeling better. 2 packs in, and we've got a surge foil. Let's make up some ground. Let's get a god box and just keep pulling surge foils. That's what I'm talking about. Celis Rune Knight. Is it Celis? I don't know. Market price $265. Already, we're doing so much better than the last box. Let me tell you. I think those 2 cards just about get halfway to the price of the box, I think. No, maybe not quite. Farseek, Kuja. Hey, is this one still expensive? Vivi. And hey, oh, that's the guy we got last time. I'll set him aside. We got Secret Rendezvous. We'll set Zidane, Surge Foil, uncommon aside. Almost halfway through. And there is another one. Xenos. Let's see. Ooh, he's not even on the first page, you guys. Clicking on over to the second page. I've got it up in the background. Dang, he's not even on the second page. I just saw Vivi, $45. There he is, $30. Isn't that crazy? You can go from 180 to 260 to 30, just depending on which one you get. Kuja flips over into Trance Kuja. I'm not even going to try to that one. Espers. Crystal Fragments. Alright. Well, we got 4 surge foils. That's probably where we're going to cap out. I mean, they were all on this side of the box, which is kind of crazy. There's another Ultima for us. Laboratory Maniac. Cecil. Golbez. Lifestream. And Jador. Okay. I don't anticipate there being anything crazy in the second half of the box, but you never know. We could hit 5 surge foils. Let's go! Yes! Alright, well, I think... Hear me out. I think we made our money back. If not... Oh my gosh. Crick, son of Yawgmoth? Oh my gosh, I dropped Cloud. Alright, hold on. Sleeve up Cloud. We're just going to go ahead and while we're at it, sleeve up everybody. We're up to 5 surge foils and we just pulled Cloud. Cloud Midgar Mercenary. Oh my gosh, I was looking at the wrong one. I was looking at Cloud X Soldier. So Cloud X Soldier from the Commander set is $700. Cloud Midgar Mercenary, market price $469. Still pretty expensive. Not gonna lie. That's $700, $900, give or take. Plus everything else we've pulled so far. I'm surprised Crick isn't on any of these pages. I was clicking through trying to see if I could find him. Well, it is less than a $20 card. I expected more. Summon, we got Yuna, the Lunar Whale. Summon Fat Chocobo. Let's pull a Chocobo. Let's make this box the God box. 5 packs to go. We've got 5 Surge Foils. We've pulled Cloud. Noctis. Imagine if that was another foil. Or Surge Foil. Gilgamesh. Cloud's Limit Break. We got Sin. We got Stolen Uniform. Pretty good. Pretty good. I am an addict for opening packs, let me tell you. Summon Brynhildr. Search for the Frozen Esper. Coin of Fate. Will our fates change and we pull another Surge Foil? Probably not, but it would definitely make up for the last box, which I still can't get over the fact that we didn't pull any Surge Foils out of the last box. I know, I'm probably skipping over some cards that are like really expensive. We're not here for the really expensive. We're here for the most expensive. That would have been crazy. Imagine a Chocobo. Imagine pulling a serialized Chocobo. I would lose my mind. My life would change. Fire Crystal Lightning Bolt. Dang it. Dang it. Do you know how insane that would have been if he was Surge Foil? We pulled both Clouds. I mean, we still pulled both Clouds. This one, though, not foil, is still $70. Can you believe that? Just pulled a $70 regular non-foil Cloud X Soldier. $70. I feel a little better after that last video. I'm never going to get over it. I'm going to talk about it forever. But let's go talking about... Whoa. I just lost power for a second. That was weird. I think that's a good place to end the video. I'm going to go find out what happened, but just really quick. Whoa, come on. There we go. Big hit of the day, Cloud Midgar Mercenary. And I'm dropping it. Cloud X Soldier. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in for the next one.